Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kitchen Faces with Chef Fran. It's another wonderful video dropping today, and if you're visiting for the first time, kindly show me some love by subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to also drop your comments under the comment section. I'll be there to respond and reply to all your messages. So yes, I have a strong passion for cooking and trying out new recipes every now and then. And this is one of my favorite crispy potato balls. I love it so much. And I like it because you can eat it as appetizer, you can eat it as your dinner, you can pack it as your lunch snacks. You can eat it any time of the day. So that's why I developed so much love for it and I eat it a lot recently. In fact, also I served this at one of a friend's dinner party with tomato sauce, and the positive comments just kept rolling in and coming in, and I loved it so much. So I'll quickly put you through how to prepare this if you are new to this, and if you have also prepared this before yourself, then probably you learn a new way of making it. I love to go simple with the ingredients that I use, but I'll still make it very flavorful. Just come along with me. But the first thing I'll do is to quickly run you through the ingredients I'll be using for my own preparation. So let's go. For the ingredients, I'll be using cold mashed potatoes, egg, milk, breadcrumb, flour, and melted butter. And to flavor it, I'll be using garlic powder, onion powder, and crushed black pepper. So I'm starting the process with a mashed potato, and the first thing I'll do is to boil the diced potatoes in salted water. I'm going to leave this until the potatoes are very soft, because they have to be soft enough to be able to mash them. Then drain the potatoes, drain all the water off it, and turn it into a bowl that you use to mash it, and mash it until very smooth. If you have your potato masher, you can use that. And if you don't have that handy, then you can also use a fork to mash your potatoes. Remember that your mashed potato must be cold before you start the next process. So you can keep this in the refrigerator for a while until it's cold enough. Then you bring it out and start the next process. So now I'm adding in all the spices. I'm adding the melted butter, the garlic powder, the onion powder, and the crushed pepper. Now, feel free to use any spice of your choice in this. Now, mix it thoroughly to incorporate all the ingredients into the mashed potato and start the molding. You can use a scoop for your molds, and if you don't have that, you can simply use a tablespoon. Now, this can be very messy, so you want to keep a bowl of water beside you to wash your hands. Roll this in your palm until you have a smooth ball. Then you coat it in the flour, in the egg, and in the breadcrumb. The breadcrumb comes last. And if you want it super crunchy, you need to repeat the process from the flour, the egg, and then lastly into the breadcrumb again. And you fry the balls. So guys, look what we've got. They look so cute. The golden color it is for me. I love it so much. I can't wait to consume this. I hope you love this video. Give me a like and also remember to subscribe. I'll drop the accurate measurements of the ingredients that I used in the description box below so you can find it there. Thanks a lot.